Trading 212 is a user-friendly platform that allows individuals to trade a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and more. Here's how to use Trading 212 effectively. Account setup. Begin by signing up for a Trading 212 account. Provide the necessary personal information, verify your identity, and fund your account. Explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with the Trading 212 platform and its features. Navigate through the various sections, including the trading dashboard, watch lists, newsfeed, and analysis tools. Research and analysis. Before making any trades, conduct thorough research and analysis. Utilize Trading 212's charting tools, technical indicators, and market analysis resources to identify potential trading opportunities. Place trades. Once you've identified the trading opportunity, use Trading 212's trading interface to place your trades. Specify the instrument, trade size, entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels. Monitor your trades. After placing your trades, monitor them closely. Keep track of price movements, market news, and any changes in your positions. Risk management. Implement risk management strategies such as setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Review performance. Regularly review your trading performance and analyze your trades. Learn from both successful and unsuccessful trades to refine your trading strategy. Continuous learning. Stay updated with market trends and continuously expand your knowledge of trading through educational resources provided by Trading 212.